In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a Claude project so you can find your next webinar topic without re-explaining yourself every time you open a new chat. First, head to the left sidebar and click on Projects. Then on the right side, you have New Project. Click on it and give it a name. I'm going to call it Webinar Topic Research. Then click on Create Project. This is the most important step because we're going to create the instructions for this project. Instructions are the permanent briefing. Claude reads this every time you start a conversation inside this project. To add a new instruction, on the right side you have this plus button. Click on it and start typing your instructions. So first we're going to add who we are and what we do. I already have my instruction ready, so I'm going to just drop it here. Be very specific, so just write who you are and what you do. Second, we're going to add who is our audience. Write that right under. Third, we need to add the topics we already covered. We are doing this so Claude knows what we are covering and doesn't repeat the topics that we already covered before. So just drop all the webinars that you did, just drop the titles there. And finally, how you want Claude to help you in this project. So I'm going to drop my last instruction and click Save Instructions. Now we can start a new chat inside this project, not from the main sidebar, but from within your project. That's what links it to your instructions. So I'm going to drop my prompt. Now give me 5 webinar topic ideas for next quarter. Let's see what it gives us. So as you can see, Claude already knows my niche, my audience, and what I've covered. I didn't have to explain any of that. The response is specific and relevant and ready to use. You can also upload files to this project, like past webinar outlines, audience surveys, email newsletters, and Claude will use those as additional context. This is actually great if you want Claude to match your tone, your brand, or build on specific past work. Now go try it out and see you in the next one.